Now, with the new yo-yos out today, many of them come with ball bearings, and let me show you real quick what that looks like. When you open your yo-yo, they come apart like that, and you have a ball bearing inside. Actually spins right around when you flick it. And this is what the string actually goes around. So when you put your string on, like I showed you in the last segment, it actually goes right around the bearing like so. Let's get it around there real quick. And so when you're playing with the yo-yo, it's actually spinning around the bearing itself, which creates less friction and allows them to spin as long as they are spinning. So we'll put these back together. And what happens is you'll notice when you are playing with it and trying to wind it back up, because there's a ball bearing in here, when you move this, it's not grabbing onto anything. It just continually goes around. What you need to do is actually put one finger into the gap. You go around that finger once, then you come underneath it, skip it. Do this 2, sometimes 3 times. My yo is a little wider, so it needs to be a little more. You drop that loop in there, and then just slightly kind of finish rolling it up. And you may think that that knot will stop the yo-yo when it's coming out, but when you throw it, it'll start spinning right away, and it'll go straight. And that's how to wind a yo-yo.